In this C programming video, we're going to be going over the do while loop. So the do while loop is very similar to the while loop, with the exception and the main difference being that whatever is in the body of the loop will execute at least once. In other words, the while part is done after the do. So starting off on line 1, the standard input-output library is included to enable the use of printf for printing output to the console. Next, on line 3, the main function is defined, which marks the entry point of the program. Next, on line 4, an integer variable index I is declared and initialized to 1. Next, on line 6, we are printing out the start of the do while loop example. And on line 7, we are starting with the do while loop. So again, this is used to execute the loop body at least once before checking the condition. And we have the exact same thing in the do while loop body than we had in the while loop. So we are printing out the index and we're incrementing it by 1. And then at the end is the actual while. So in there we check the condition. So while I is less than or equal to 6. So this do while loop is going to count from 1 to 6. Once we're done with that, we move on to line 12. We break from the loop and move on to line 12, and we return 0. So this indicates a successful execution. So let us test our program. So let's run the code. So we can see here we're counting from 1 to 6. We can count from 1 to 10. But let us show the main property of the do while loop. So let us start with an index that is already greater than the condition. So let's start at 11. 11 is not less than or equal to 10. So it's what we expect is for it to execute it once and then break because the condition has been proven false. So as we can see here, it only outputs 11. So in this video, in the while video, and in the for video, we've gone through 3 different types of loops, and all 3 of these types of loops have different uses in different cases where you would not want to use them. So you'll get more familiar with these as you become more familiar with C programming. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.